So today it's time to unbox the Mac Mini. Such a great looking device. It was hard to resist. So here we go. The famous strip that's along the bottom. Something like unboxing an Apple product. The seal has been broken. And there's another seal. So I'm gonna peel that. And then we have a box. Ooh, looks beautiful actually. Look at that. Okay, so this is the Mac Mini. That's amazing. Small. And then we got the protector. Everybody's. Ooh, it's nothing like peeling off a bit of protection like this. Stops anything getting damaged in the ports and travel. And then we've got something on the bottom here. It's Apple Inc. 1 Park Way, Cupertino. Okay, so it's giving me the address. User requires the acceptance of the software license terms presented. And then here we go. Ooh, well, that looks nice. It is saying Mac Mini on the bottom. And then we have the power button, which is also on the bottom. And I don't know why people worry about it so much being on the bottom, because, you know, whenever I have a computer, I always technically keep it on, unless I need to do an update or something like that. So I just went for the base model of the Mac Mini, and it's got the M4 chip. It's got a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. Also, it's got 16 gigs of unified memory and 256 gigs of SSD storage. And you know what the beautiful thing about this is also? I've got an Ethernet port on the back. And on the back, there's 3 Thunderbolt ports, and these support up to 40 gigabytes per second. And on the front, if you've got 2 USB-C ports, and these are just regular USB-C, which will port up to 10 gigabytes per second. And then you've got a headphone jack. There's nothing beats a headphone jack, and I've always got a set of headphones ready to go in. Anyways, so feels nice, feels really good, feels like it needs to be plugged in and turned on. So what's cool about the Mac Mini is it's powerful, it's small, and it supports actually up to 3 displays. So with upgrading to the Mac Mini, things are going to be rock solid. I'll be able to do video editing at higher qualities. I'll be able to do some gaming. And then also, you know, I can experiment and see what Apple Intelligence has to offer. So, along with the Mac Mini, you get the cable. And this is braided. Can't believe it's braided. That's an amazing cable. I love the quality. And yes, I'm being very tidy with this. Absolutely brilliant. Nice, very nice length of cable. Now it's time to clean my desk and get it ready to be installed. So, time to turn on the computer for the first time. And the power button's way on the bottom. Okay, it's not that hard. Ooh, that's a nice tone. Yeah, gonna have to sort those cables sometime. And let's see, will it come to life? Oh, we have life, but not as we know it. Okay, Time to see if we can get a keyboard working. I'm trying to pair that. I wonder if that's going to pair, or this. Am I going to have to use a keyboard or something else? I wonder what's happening now. Got a blank. Oh, hello. Hello. Getting started. Okay. And all the different languages. That's fun. Is this gonna work? Oh, we've got the mouse and it's working here. So, all I did was press the pair button, which is cool. And English. Yes, I'm gonna have the English United Kingdom. And then I don't need any. Okay, so you've got a love license PPC. We're gonna click on continue, and I'm going to run Mac for Windows PC. Not now. I don't want to be doing it now. We will. I'm setting up the iCloud. Technically, this is taking some time, but we'll get there. I still can't believe how clean that looks. It's just one computer, and it's so fast. This looks like it's going to take some time. I'm going to enable the location to the Mac. And why not share analytics with the... yeah, why not have the developers? And I don't want any screen time at the moment. And, okay, enable Siri. Share... maybe not. Turn on full disk encryption. Allow my Apple account to unlock my and I like to use dark mode. And welcome to Mac. Now, let's soon see how long it's going to take to welcome me. And we're in. How cool is that? Okay. And they're going to continue the keyboard assistant. Oh yes. Okay, press the key immediately to the right of the shift key on the left side of the keyboard. And international. Okay. And that's us. And yeah, it's nice to have a computer. Nice to have a new computer. Well, it's just time to get used to it. Anyways, hope you have a fantastic day and take it easy. See ya. How cool is that look? How cool is that look?